वेलकम टू पाम जुमेरात दुबई। चला तर दुबईतील हे मानवनिर्मित बेट आपण बघूया। पाम आयलँड बघण्यासाठी एंट्री केल्यानंतर अशा प्रकारचा सुंदर असा फिश टँक आपणास बघावयास मिळतो। बघा, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे वेगवेगळ्या रंगाचे हे मासे मन वेधून घेतात।
فدعونا نخوض معا معركة التنمية وليكن ضحايانا الفقر والجهل والتخلف.
In 1997, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, embarked on a project that would transform Dubai's coastline and give the world one of its most recognizable man-made wonders. A technological marvel, Palm Jumeirah has become a symbol of not only Dubai's rich heritage and deep connection to the sea, but a shining beacon of ambition and innovation that can be found in the Arab world. This is the incredible story of how the island that captured the world's imagination rose from the sea. Welcome to the view at the Palm. Warm, shallow waters lapping at the coastline of the Gulf, to a dazzling symbol of imagination and architectural ingenuity. This is the Palm Jumeirah. The iconic island was born from a vision to create an unforgettable masterpiece that would showcase the spirit of human possibility and transform the emirate into a buzzing metropolis and a global tourist destination. His Excellency Sultan Ahmed bin Slayem was mandated by His Highness to bring this great idea to life, where the island's original design was shaped like a sun.
He told me how many kilometers we're going to get if we build this island. I told him 7 kilometers. He told me why not 70? I told him the whole beach of Dubai, Your Highness, is 65 kilometers. How did you get 70? He said, why do we build it around? Why don't we pull it from the sides and create more beaches?
The redesign included a 1.4-kilometer bridge connecting the Dubai mainland to the island. The shape then began to resemble a palm tree, a true Dubai icon. Nearly 100 million cubic meters of sand from the bottom of the sea and 7 million tons of rock from nearby mountains in the northern Emirates were carefully positioned using GPS technology and satellite images from space to create one of the most recognizable icons of Dubai. Constructed in less than 6 years, from 2001 to 2006, the first of its kind man-made island is a monumental feat of engineering and modern technology. It is one of the few islands in the world that can be viewed from space with the naked eye. Today, we welcome you to experience a pioneering symbol of Dubai's transformation into one of the world's most exciting cities. Designed to inspire wonder, this unforgettable, iconic, and awe-inspiring journey brings the story of Palm Jumeirah to life for the first time.
शेख मोहम्मद बिन रशीद अल मक्तूम यांच्या डोक्यात 1990 मध्ये मानवनिर्मित आयलँड बनवण्याचा हा प्लॅन आला आणि 1997 ते 2001 या 4 वर्षात या आयलँडचा अभ्यास करण्यात आला आणि नंतर बघा यासाठी इंजिनियर टीम नेमण्यात आली आणि यासाठी लागणारे जे दगड आहेत हे दगड मध्य प्रदेशमधील छत्रपूर येथून ग्रॅनाइट दगड मागवण्यात आले। 2001 मध्ये हे काम सुरू झाले तर ते 2006 पर्यंत काम चालले. समुद्राच्या पाण्याचा मारा होऊन हे दगड झिजणार नाही या पद्धतीने या दगडांचा सर्वे केला गेला. आणि हे जे दगड आहेत ते दगड आपल्या भारतातील मध्य प्रदेश येथील छत्रपूर येथेच मिळालेले आहेत. 9 किलोमीटर लांब व 6 किलोमीटर रुंद असलेला हा पाम आयलँड आहे. हा पाम आयलँड कसा तयार करण्यात आला तो आपण आता डिजिटल माध्यमाच्याद्वारे बघू.
And 4 kilometers north to south. The Great Wall runs 11 kilometers and protects the inner elements of the man-made island.
So whenever you see the steps like that, all we need to do is step on it. Step on it.
Inside water depth is 20 meters, while outside of the Great Wall, the water depth is 30 meters.
Step onto the footsteps and it will give us information about the Palm Jumeirah. It shows us how they processed the Palm Jumeirah starting in 2001, and it only took less than 6 years for them to complete the whole island. And what's there is that
7 million tons of rock was used as the foundations. 120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 fronds in the shape of a palm. Villas, 2,500 apartments, with over 78,000 people who live on the Palm. Over 1 million tourists and residents visit the Palm each year. The Palm is home to 27 hotels, including the stunning Atlantis The Palm. Tourist destinations such as The View at the Palm, Nakheel Marinas, to Dubai with a 300-meter bridge.